Hi, a very good day for everyone. My name is Siti Binti Yusof and I am currently a final year student in Bachelor of Applied Sciences in Biodiversity Conservation and Management at University Malaysia Terengganu, which is UMT. I have a strong interest in wildlife conservation and also environmental sustainability. Throughout my studies, I have learned theoretical knowledge in biodiversity data analysis, ecological survey method, and also scientific research, especially through the courses such as scientific writing in biology and also biodiversity data analysis. I also gained experience with field trips and program, which is I visiting Penang Hill Biosphere Reserve and also Orang Utan Island, where I was exposed to a rare ecosystem and also how actually conservation work. Besides that, I was also involved in Youth Biodiversity Day as a committee member where I handled data and certificates. Overall, I would describe myself as a responsible, proactive, and adaptable individual who enjoy both fieldwork and also teamwork. My career goal is to become a wildlife executive or biologist where I can contribute to the biodiversity conservation and sustainable environment management. I chose this field because I am very interested in nature and wildlife. I enjoy learning how actually our ecosystem work and how species interact with each other. During my studies, I become more aware about the environmental issues happen, which is like habitat loss and also conservation challenge. These issues make me more motivated to be part of the solutions. I also enjoy doing fieldwork, which is during my FYP final year project, I conducted a water sampling at Sungai Pulau Mangrove ecosystem, which is to study the species compositions of the atom. This experience made me more attracted to work in real environment. So I believe these fields match both my interests and also my career goals. For this question, I would say I'm not an overthinker. So when I face failure, I try to stay calm when facing stress or any pressure. Instead, I will reflect on what went wrong and think about how I can improve for the next time. I see failure as part of the learning process, especially in my field where not everything will go as planned. After I have completed my responsibility or any task, I also like to take some time to relax and release my tensions by going to the nature, such as to the beach or waterfall. It helps me to clear my mind and come back for to become more focused. So overall, I handle failure by learning from it, staying positive, and moving forward with a better approach. There is one time that I work in a team, which during the youth biodiversity day, where I was part of the accreditations committee. So my team responsible for ensuring that all participants receive their certificate after the event. So my task, which is my role, was to manage participant data, prepare certificates, and also ensure everything was accurate. I work with my team by dividing tasks based on our strength. I focus on organizing participant informations and checking for any mistake or any error. We also communicated regularly to make sure all data was always updated and accurate. In the end, all certificates were successfully prepared and distributed on time. From this experience, I learned that teamwork and a good communications are very important to achieve a common goal. I believe my academic result clearly reflects my consistency and strong work ethic. With a CGPA of 347, I have shown that I can maintain a good performance while managing multiple responsibilities like assignment, fieldwork, and program. What I'm more confident about is not just about the result, but my ability to apply what I have learned in class. However, I also believe that academic results alone are not enough. That is why I have worked on developing practical skills such as data collections, data analysis using software like Excel, and also PASS. And also, I learned about scientific report writings. For example, during my final year project, I applied my knowledge in class into a real world condition by conducting sampling for analyzing species composition. This experience strengthened my problem solving and independent working skill. Overall, my academic performance combined with my practical experience reflects my readiness to contribute effectively in a professional role such as wildlife executive or biologist.